Thanks to Saker for sending us this blood pressure monitor, the E90B model. It's the only one that's FDA approved. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox the Saker blood pressure monitor and let's see what we have inside. You have your quick start guide, which is always good because it has pictures. That helps a lot of people. And then we have your long USB to mini C cord to keep it charged if you want to keep it plugged in at all times. Let's take it out of the box. Okay, now that we have it out of the box, let's see what she looks like. Unwrap it here. Also comes with your regular manual so you can read all the directions. And also comes with the batteries if you want to use batteries instead of plugging it in and using your USB cord. Okay, what I like about the Saker model is it's the arm version. So you just flip this down, put your arm in, have your hand up flat. It's easy for one person to do. You don't have to have two people. That's what I like about it. I do have high blood pressure. I do have to check my blood pressure. This is real easy for me. I don't need assistance from my wife to help me do it. It's great. Okay, we've already installed the battery, so this is the display overview. So you can have up to 4 users on there, A, B, C, and D. You have your low battery indicator. You actually have your year, month, date, and time, so it keeps time of who has what. Your blood pressure classification, it does your systolic and your diastolic pressures, also takes your pulse. And on your pulse rate, it tells you if you have an irregular heartbeat, such as AFib. And it tells you that you have the memory set so you can go back and check what your blood pressure was prior to you taking it this time. Okay, so now that this thing is set, we're going to go ahead and try it out. So you want to make sure that your sleeve is not in there. You want to have your elbow up to this ridge right here. So you want to stick your arm in there and make sure the elbow rests right on the ridge. Have your palm up. You want to sit straight up with both of your feet flat on the floor. Okay, my arm's in there with my palm straight up. We're going to go ahead and start it and see what our reading is. Again, you want to sit straight up as much as you can. There it is. Okay, there we just took my blood pressure, but I don't think you'd be able to see it because of the digital display, but it does work great, fast. Okay, this is definitely a game changer if you're an individual living by yourself and you have high blood pressure. It's an easy setup, nothing cumbersome to do, straightforward. We want to thank Saker for sending this product for us to review. And if you're interested in this, there'll be a link to the product and a link of our video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.